How to sign out of Google account on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can sign out of Google account on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. The first thing that you will need to do is head over to your settings. So locate your settings app and open it up. After you open up your settings, you will then need to head over to accounts. So search for accounts. So you can scroll down. So search for accounts. You should find accounts right here with password, passkeys, and accounts. It's sometimes this or accounts and backup or simply account. So select that. And after you're there, you can see accounts for yourself and you can find which account you want to delete. So select the account that you want to delete. And after you're here, you can then tap on remove account. And after you tap on it, you will need to confirm it by tapping on remove account again. And after you're doing that, you'll have signed out of Google account from your Android device. And that's basically it, guys. That's how easy it is to sign out of Google account on Android. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.